sessions, just we had a discussion about, I hope you people may remember, just we had a discussion about a simple model class we did. What is our project name? Can you please, anyone, can you please tell? Sir, blog project. I took blog project. In that blog, I took models.py. Can you please observe, give it very carefully about this one, sir? Sir, class, this is the model I wrote. This is the model I wrote. Class model, class post, model, status choices, draft. Sir, what are various allowed values for the status? Sir, status of our post, maybe draft or published. Next title, next and after that slug. Somewhere I told, what is the purpose of slug? Anyone, can you please tell? What is the purpose of slug? Slug field? Slug field, models.slug field. What is the need or what is the purpose of slug field? Please respond. Anyone? What the need or what the purpose of slug field? Yes, sir. Slug just to build very user-friendly URLs, SEO-friendly URLs. For that purpose, we can use slug field. Next and after that, other. Who wrote other? Here, have you observed, right? Models dot foreign key of user related name blog post. Anyway, Sir Shashank having the bigger doubt what about related name, we will discuss in detail. Don't worry about that. So compulsory this other should be valid user from the user. Okay, user model is already there in our auth application. Auth application user model is there. For that user model, whatever the name is there, that name will become other. Next and after the body, sir, here models dot text field. Next and after the published date time field, created, updated status. But here one small thing you people should aware, sir. What is that one is? Take very special care about this one. What the important point is, sir? Here published date. Can you please observe? Models dot date time field default is equal to time zone dot default time. Whenever you call save function, save method, whenever you call save method, automatically save method, automatically that particular time by default is going to be considered, sir. Please observe that a bit very carefully. Date time of save function. If you perform any modification, after modification, now you require to save. Save means something like updated. Save means something like updated. Like next status, right? Status is always from these two values, right? But a default value is nothing but a draft. Next and after that ordering, sir, based on published date, descending order. Based on published date, descending order, right? Next, if anywhere, if you want to display, sir, this post object, then just the print only self data title. That's all. This is the thing what you people should aware clearly, right? Okay, sir. Now the next thing what I have to discuss for you people, right? Sir, here I want to customize admin interface. Regarding I want to customize admin interface. I didn't discuss anything, sir. Just only one word I use. Admin.site.register of post. Regarding admin.site.register of post. Like this I'm taking, sir. 1 minute here. What I'm trying to take here is just let me start the server. The Django projects OT. Next blog project I'm taking. Now, sir, here py manage.py, run server like this, right? Run server like that. Sir, now let me open admin interface, right? Okay, /admin like this. Admin interface I've opened. Now, have you observed, right? Posts are available. Okay, posts are available, right? Sir, now how many posts are there? Nothing, no posts, right? Okay, let me add some posts like this, right? Title. Just let me take different things because I require to have different things. I require to have, sir, what we call the tag, by tag name, select, and so on. That's why there are some posts related to movies, some posts related to like I want to do that. Okay. So now what I have to take here is, have you observed, right? Bunny, Chinni, Durga, Sunny, like these are the 4 users are there. I already added to the user admin. Sir, why you are getting this drop down, sir? For other, why you are getting this drop down for other, sir? Can you please observe what is the reason for that? The reason is can I spell out what is the reason why we are getting this type of things, sir? The reason for that is, do you know here other foreign key of user means that in the user whatever data is there, only you are allowed to select this one only. Other is a foreign key which is pointing to user model, user module, like that, right? That's fine. Next body, sir. Next, and after that, like draft version, publish it, something like this, right? So now my target is, okay, let me take one thing, sir. Here just I'm taking anything you can able to take title, yeah, India, sir, India cricket team information, something like I'm taking, sir. Slug field, okay, here just observe that we have to type anyway slug field. Just instead of typing that, there are something I want to do that, okay, some administration, okay, some what we call customizing admin interface I'm going to take care. Then you people can able to understand, right, what it means, sir. 1 minute, sir. Just take a bit very special case, sir. My requirement is, let me go to admin.py, sir. Okay, admin.py. Let me go for that admin.py, sir. Okay, sir. Now in the admin.py, what I want to take is, have you remembered, right, sir? Somewhere we took a class post admin. Are you getting that? What we can able to take, sir? Class post admin of can you please guide, sir? Admin dot model admin. Next, sir, in this class only one thing we discussed. Anyone, can you please tell? Only one thing we discussed. Anything? Can you please guide? Only one field we discussed, sir. What is that? List display, sir. Which fields you want to display? Which fields you want to display? Are you getting list display? Which fields, sir? Sir, in our model, okay, sir. Which things are there in our model, sir.py? Which things are there? Okay, title I want, slug field I want. Are you getting title I want, slug field I want, slug field, other, body, publish date, created date, update status, all the fields I want, sir. Assume that all these fields I want. Then automatically, then let me specify the list, sir. Sir, first one, title must be required. Okay, here title I'm taking, sir. Second one, sir, what is the second one? Slug also I want to display, so that you may see, sir, here, like other I want to take. Next, and after that other, next body field also I want to specify that body like this, right? Next, after body, what is the next one we have? Publish date. Are you getting publish? Sir, publish like this, right? Next, after created like this. Next, after created, sir, now what is the next one I'm trying to take, sir? Created, updated, created, updated. Last one, sir, status, sir. Like this I'm taking status, sir. Like I'm trying to take, sir. Sir, these are various fields I want to display. I want to display, sir, like this, right? Sir, now have a look once, sir. Let me register this admin under, sir, post admin, right? Admin dot site dot register, admin dot site dot register of what is the post comma post admin, like this I'm taking, sir. Okay, well, now take very special case, sir. If I can take post, nothing, no post is available. Are you getting that? No post is available, like this, right? Now I want to, sir, here class meta. No, we didn't take any meta, not required also. Sir, just observe that. Okay, Shashank. Here we are not required to take class meta and so on. Don't worry. Sir, class meta we require to take in the form fields. Are you getting? It is not just with the model, that's all. It is not form field. Okay, like, sir, now here I'm taking list display. These are the things what we have to display. Sir, now what I'm trying to take here is, let me add one poster, sir. I want to add one poster. Okay, title India India, cricket team information. Cricket team information like this, right? Sir, now slug field we require to do that. Regarding slug field we require to do that. If you want to add slug field, so what I want to take here, can you please generate slug automatically? Automatically based on this title, can you please generate slug field automatically like that? Yes, there is a way to specify that, no problem at all. How you can able to specify? How we can able to specify, sir? Very simple, sir. What I can take is here in the models, just I'm trying to take. Listen very carefully, sir. Here sir, populated fields. Are you getting? Pre-populated fields. What is the meaning of this one? A. The name itself indicates, right? So can you please, sir, populate fields based on some other field? Are you getting? Can you please populate fields based on some other field? What I will take is just it is a dictionary. It is a dictionary, sir. In the dictionary, sir, what is the key is slug. For this slug, which value you require to consider, sir? Title. You have to consider title like this, right? Are you getting? Can you please consider slug automatically based on the title? Automatically based on the title. If we type title, then the same value will be considered automatically for the slug field also. Remember this one, sir. Are you getting? We are not required to use any other, just a pre-populated fields like this type. Sir, now have a look once. Just what I'm trying to take is, sir, let me refresh this one. Okay. Now take very special care, sir. Very special care. Sir, here India, here just India, here cricket team information. Are you getting? If I type this one, automatically slug field by default is considered or not? Can you please observe this one? This is slug field. Automatically it's going to be considered or not? Yes. Okay. Like this is the purpose of pre-populated fields. Sir, slug field value. Can you please consider from the title like this, right? Slug field value. Can you please consider from the title like this, right? Okay. Well, now other assume that Durga I'm taking, sir. Sir, body you have to take. You require to take sir, body you require to take something like about India cricket information. Here India cricket like this I'm taking, sir. So here just some here just some data like I'm trying to take, sir. Okay, now here just I'm trying to take, okay, like some data I'm trying to take, sir, because I want to keep more meaningful, okay, more meaningful like this, right? What I'm trying to take here, like I'm taking, sir. Okay, here West Indies innings something like I'm taking. Next, publisher, sir, publisher. When you want to publish, okay, today, now, like this I'm taking. Sir, is it draft or published? Okay, status is the published only. Okay, let me save this one, sir. Okay, let me save this one. Are you getting? Save. That's all. Sir, post added successfully. If I click this one, can you please observe that? This is the title of the post. Next, other Durga. Next, and after that, body like this. This is the slug field. Next, October 29th, 3. Sir, created time. Next, and after that, updated time. Next, and after that, published time. Everyone can able to understand? Please observe that. Clear for all of you, right? This is a one post I'm trying to take, sir. Next, what I'm trying to take is, let me add another post. Observe very carefully, sir. Add another post. Sir, India movie information. Like this, right? Other, okay, Sunny, like this I'm taking, sir. So now here just I'm trying to take. Now I'm trying to take Rajamouli's next movie, like this I'm taking, sir. Okay, RRR, something like. Okay, sir, this movie is going to come. Just let me make some copy paste. here there is some, okay, like because I want to use these things sir somewhere, that's why let me, yeah, okay, like I'm taking next, and after that like published like this, right, save. That's all. So total how many posts are available, right? There are two posts are available. Up to this not required to give any explanation, right? Okay, that's all. So now two users are there, of course two posts are available, right? Now my requirement here is observe carefully, sir. So now list display pre-populated fields like this, right? Next, is there any way, to filter records based on our specified fields? Can you please filter records based on our fields? Do you know, if you consider that the total page by default will be there, no filtration kind of things, sir. Have you observed, right? No filtration facility, all these things are not there. Okay, I want to customize this Django admin site with the filter option also for our model. Okay, how you can able to take, sir? Here is very simple, sir. What you have to take is list filter. Observe that carefully, sir. List filter I'm taking. Do you know list filter based on which one? Based on status I want. Observe very carefully, sir. Sir, I want a status. This is the first field. Okay, sir, created, published, other, like we can specify any number of fields, sir. Just if I can take like this. Now let me open here. Just observe that. Are you seeing any difference between, 1 minute? The value of list filter must be correct. Here it's expecting tuple, that's why comma must be required. Tuple, single valued element, compulsory should ends with comma. Okay, like comma must be required. Let me start the server. Okay, well, now have a look once, sir. Now if you want, have you observed, right? Filter now earlier looks like this. Are you getting? Earlier no filtration like, but now are you in the position to filter or not? Filter by status. Do you want all? Do you want to draft or do you want published? I want to publish it. Then automatically two things are available. I want to draft. Then automatically for draft status no posts are available because both posts are considered as published. That's why if you want this filter ability, then automatically what we have to take, sir, in our here list filter. So filter by which field? The filtering is based on which field? Filter based on, respond man, filter based on status. Are you getting? Either draft or published or all like this. Sir, why don't you ask filter based on created, filter based on published, filter based on other, like you can able to specify. Okay, here I'm talking about other. I want other also. If you want other, now you can able to see, sir. Yeah, again no problem there is. Yeah, can you please have a look once, sir? Filter by status like this, by other. Are you getting right? Sir, by other, Durga, Sunny, Bunny, Chinny, like this, right? Sir, Durga, how many posts published by Durga, like that, right? Okay, sir, by is ready-made. Are you getting that? This is Sunny, like, sir, if you observe that all, actually it has to update like, sir, by Durga you have to find, sir, by, yeah, what is that? Dev Dikshit. By is ready-made, yes. By status, by other is, all these things are ready-made, sir. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, now observe that, sir, how many posts are available with Durga? Only one post is available with the Durga name. If I can use Sunny, how many posts are available? Only one post. Next, if I can take Bunny, how many posts are available? Zero number of posts. Regarding zero number of posts. If I can consider Chinny, how many number of posts are available? Zero number. Like this, right? So by status, by other, like we can able to specify. So not only that, if you want by some status already, by other, we can able to take. Next, created, publish, like this, right? Created. Next, and after that, by publish also, like this, right? Okay, at what date, based on created time or based on published time, something like that, you can able to specify. By created, any date, today, last, past 7 days, this month, this year. Are you getting how beautiful it is? By published date, any date, or today, or past 7 days, this month, and then this year, something like you can able to get. All these fields automatically will be there. Now, sir, if 1,000 huge number of records are available, happily by using this filter mechanism, you can able to do that. For that, which parameter, which variable we require to use, right? List filter. Everyone can able to understand, right? Please confirm. Sir, what is the list filter? Now, are you getting basic idea? Yes. Getting right? Okay, that's all. This is above list filter like this, right? Next, I want to search. I want to search also based on title. I want to search. Search option also. I want to provide, sir. You never going to have any search option. Are you getting? You never going to have any search option. Are you getting right? Sir, here action. If you want to delete or something like action. But where is the search option? I want search option, right? What I want to take here is, if you want a search option, very simple, sir. Search fields. Are you getting? Search fields is equal to what we have to specify based on usually in the title. If anywhere movie is there or anywhere movie is there or in the body. So if you can provide any word, it will search in the title or it will search in the body. If any matched thing is there, it will display, sir. If any matched thing is there, it will display. Now observe, sir, at the beginning this is, but after adding filter, this is looks like this. Now have a look once, sir. I'm taking. Now, what is the difference between this one and this one? Can you please cross check? Are you seeing any difference? Now here search box came or not? Can you please observe that? Search box came or not? Yes. Now this search box is always going to search in the title and even in the title it's going to search, and even it's going to search in the body also, right? Now here I'm taking Bahubali. Okay, sir, here just I'm trying to type Bahubali, sir. Search, then automatically only, do you know, only one post because it contains Bahubali. Are you getting? Because it contains Bahubali, right? Only one post by default is going to come. Suppose if I use the word cricket, here have you observed earlier? It is showing whenever I typed Bahubali, one result, two total. Out of 2, 1 result came. If I use cricket, searches, if I use cricket, 1 result, 2 total, like this, right? Okay. Now, sir, if I use Python, Python is not there in the movies, is not there in the sports, then automatically observe the search results, 0 results are related to Python. Sir, where it is going to search, sir? It is going to search in 2 fields. One is either in the title or in the either in the title or in the body. So if you want this type of search option, then happily we have to take search fields like this, right? Okay, this is just a search button, like search text box, search box if you want like this, right? Next, I have one more thing is there, sir. Very important, very helpful also. Listen carefully, sir. Here, if I want to add post, observe that. If I want to add post, author I want to select. How many authors are there? Can you please respond? How many authors are there? 4 authors are there, sir. So selecting Bunny, Chinny, Durga, Sunny, something like Only 4. Selecting will become very easy. No problem at all. Selecting will become very, very easy, sir. No issue at all, acceptable. Suppose if you have 1 lakh others are there. Regarding 1 lakh others are there, then automatically it is a bigger problem or not? Drop down list contain 1 lakh. Where is our required person? Searching and so on is always a bigger problem. That's fine. So we are not required. We are not required to specify based on the name. Just if I provide ID 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe Durga is ID 1. Next Sunny maybe ID 2. Bunny maybe ID 3. Chinny maybe ID 4. Are you getting? So in the user table, have you observed, right? If you consider users table, how many users are there? Okay, like these are the 4 users, right? Durga itself is the first one. Sunny is the second one. ID field is also, if you can consider, then automatically you can see. Don't worry, sir. So now I want the data based on the ID. I want to enter data. I want to choose the data based on the ID. Then automatically we should go for raw ID fields. What is the word, sir? Can you please specify? Raw ID field. Just observe that. Raw ID fields. Raw ID fields is equal to so other. Then, sir, if I can take like this, what will happen is, so for this other only, for this other only, that it is, if you are going to provide the ID, the corresponding other will be selected automatically. Now drop down is not going to come, sir. Yes, simple answer. Here, let me use that. Then you may get that. Sir, what is the field name? What is the field name? Just now I told. I forgot. What is the field name? Ayo. What is that field name, sir? Raw ID fields. Raw ID fields is equal to other. Okay, comma like this. Sir, what is the effect of this one? What is the effect of this one? Now observe very, very carefully about this one, sir. Here I am taking home post like this, right? Okay, I want to add the post. Now observe that earlier, if you consider, if you want to add post, you have to select from the drop down. You require to select from the drop down. But now have a look once, sir. Now drop down is not there. Are you getting it? Now drop down is not there. Only search option. Only search option is there. Drop down is not there, sir. What is the biggest advantage? What we are going to get is you are not required to provide. You are not required to select like. You can take either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Automatically the corresponding value by default will be selected, sir. Now I am taking here IT India software industry like this. Just I am taking, sir. India software industry like I am taking. Sir, I have observed slug will come automatically. Next, who is the others are? 4 I am taking. 4 maybe Chinny. I don't know. Maybe Chinny. That's all. Just to specify. So because always call by ID is always recommended if huge number of records are available. Sir, while working in the software company also, if you are going to make a call to support, immediately they will ask, can I start with your employee ID? They never going to ask what is your name and so on. By ID, uniqueness by default will be there. That's why ID field. Now, sir, here just from the Google, just I'm taking, sir. Here Google India software industry. Okay, India software industry like this. I'm taking something like here. Don't worry about Wikipedia information. Just copy paste. That's all. Here India's something like I'm taking this is okay. Yes, here that's all. This is about my data. Just it is also published only. Don't worry, sir. Save. That's all. Now here which value I selected, sir? 4 I selected. Now what will happen? Now that's all completed. 4 means who is the other? Can you please observe? Who is the other? Chinny is going to come. Clear, right? Are you able to understand? Raw ID field. Raw ID field. This is the meaning, sir. So based on ID, can you please consider the value automatically? That's all. This is the raw ID field. Next, here do you know date hierarchy. Like this we can able to take, sir. Date hierarchy. What is the meaning, sir? So here you can just let me take another field. Date hierarchy. Are you getting? Just date hierarchy. Like this I'm taking. Sir, it's a very helpful. Just publish. Date hierarchy. Publish. I'm taking, sir. If I consider like this, if I consider like this, publish is there, published date and the time. Now have a look once, sir. The biggest advantage what we are going to get is, let me refresh. Are you seeing? Can you please observe that there is one nav bar you can able to see, sir. Are you getting 2018 October 29? Can you please? Are you getting 2018 October 29? Something like that. So October, in the October month, okay, sir, in the October 29, something like that, okay, like that. Do you know this is just you can able to hierarchy. Do you know what the world post something like if you want to display, then obviously here nav bar by default it's going to come, sir. Just observe all possibilities, whatever there. Just I'm explaining, okay. That's all. This is a date hierarchy. Like suppose if you want to display date hierarchy like this, right? Yes, all these fields are related to Django admin. We are talking about how to customize Django admin interface, right? That's all. Remember that these things are related to admin interface only, not our view, not our templates. Okay. Next, one more, sir. Ordering. Do you want to order? Ordering must be required. Assume that, sir, ordering, we can able to take. Ordering is equal to, sir, based on status. If the status itself is the same, based on the status, I want to take order. If the status itself is the same, then automatically based on publish. Assume that based on publish. Now have a look once, sir. Have a look once. Are you able to see, right? Here you can see some numbers. Publish, order, next and after that what? Publish, something like this. Are you seeing 2? Next here 1, something like that. So if you want, you can able to ascend, you can able to ascending order, descending order, like all the things by default is possible, sir. Okay, that's all. This is about what is ordering. At the top, you are having the choice. Like, sir, this is something like that. Ordering. So in our tables also, database tables also, somewhere in the UI, what we call front end UI tools, at the top of the column, if I click this one, now ascending order, descending order, something like you can able to see, sir. Yes, for that, obviously we can use this ordering. Okay. Next, that's all. These are various fields, whatever we have. Any explanation is required? Now, are you in the position to see, right? Please respond. Are you able to see, sir? What new things we got? Sir, we know only one thing. Sir, list display. That's all. List display. Up to that only we did. Sir, now list filter. How you can perform search operation, ID fields, data hierarchy, ordering, pre-populated fields. This is the very helpful. Pre-populated fields like this, right? So these are various facilities are there if you want to customize admin interface. That's it. So now, okay, well, what is my next activity, sir? I want to implement. Sir, list view under detail view by using FBVs. So up to this, we covered only database related stuff. Sir, we created model, and then from admin interface, just we published some posts. Are getting published some posts. Now my target is I want sir, define view functions to display this post information to the end user. How you can able to do that? Regarding how we can able to do that, that part I have to discuss. Can I go for that? Can you please confirm? Can I go for that? Okay. Yes. Very simple, sir. Where we have to, where we require to take care. Just observe a bit very carefully about this terminology. Right? What I want to take here is, let me go for here views.py. Regarding I'm going for views.py. Now def post list view. Sir, observe very carefully. Post list view of request. Post list view of request. But anyway, let me bring the post from blog. Blog is my application. Dot models import. Dot models import. Which one I have to import, sir? Sir, just the post. I require to import post from blog.models, from blog.models, import post. That's all. So now I want all post. Okay, post list is equal to post dot objects dot all. Have you remembered at our childhood somewhere we covered, right? Post list is equal to post dot objects dot all. Okay, like this I'm taking. Next, what I want to take, can you please send this information? Okay, return render of request, comma blog slash. In the blog, I want to take one HTML page. Post list dot HTML I'm taking. Have you remembered, right? I hope you people may aware what I have to take. Context object I require to pass. Okay. Now I'm taking post list is column post list, like this I'm taking, sir. That's all. So just that is we are not required to do much activity, sir. Just what I have to take, post list is equal to post dot objects dot all return render of, like I'm taking. Now my next target here is, sir, we have to define this one, sir. Very important. What I have to go for, I never had any template, CSS files, these kind of things, sir. Let me go for template. Template and then CSS, right? Sir, I will observe where we have to define templates. Please respond. Where we require to define templates, right? In our project, okay? Template or templates, okay? In that templates, let me take a blog. Okay, blog is our application name. In that, let me go for base.html. If I take base.html, immediately you may have one word in your mind. What is that word, sir? Base.html. If I can take, there is immediately template inheritance concept. Okay, like similarly, I want to take one CSS file also. If you want to take CSS file, what I have to take, sir? Static. Correct or not? Static. Sir, inside static, let me take CSS. Let me take another folder. CSS folder. In the sir, CSS static. CSS folder. In the some I can take a CSS file. Sir, what the CSS file I want to take is any name we can able to take, sir. Blog.css, like this I'm taking. That's it. Sir, base.html, blog.html. Next, under blog base.html, one more HTML file is required. Just I'm taking post underscore list.html file. Okay, that's it. Sir, all the required files are very clear. Let me go to base.html, sir. HTML, like this I'm taking. Just to take very special care about this one, sir. Base. Let me take this one, sir. Here now, what about my requirement here is just take a bit very special care about this one, sir. Here compulsory we require to take load the static files. Have you remembered? At our childhood somewhere we covered. Load the, what is that? Static files. But this static files information we require to provide inside settings.py. This static files information we require to provide inside settings.py. So let me go for only block I added. Only block template dir is equal to os dot path dot join of base dir comma what the next ones are templates like this, right? Now let me add this here template dir like this. I'm trying to add. Next what next we can able to take, sir? Here static dir. Regarding static dir is equal to os dot path dot join base dir comma static like this. Sir, at last something like we require to take at last. Have you remembered, right? Yes, man. So long days before we took static files underscore dirs is equal to static dir. Correct? Please respond. Is it correct? Yes, friends. Correct, right? Comma anyway, whether you are taking or not taking, no problem. Yes, friends. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Now CSS file is, I mean, everything I updated here. Now load the static files. Okay. Next here, do you know there are something like this I want to take, sir. What is the first one? It's a very common required to use bootstrap. It's a very common required to use bootstrap, sir. Get bootstrap.com. Let me add bootstrap CDN. If I add in the base.html, then automatically for everywhere it is available. If I add in the base.html, everywhere it will be available. That's why just let me add. It is one-time activity, right? Okay. Now I'm taking this is the bootstrap CDN where I have to take inside head part. Inside head part I'm taking. Okay, well, bootstrap CDN I added, sir. Next, do you know I want to add CSS file link also. I require to add CSS file link also, right? Anyone, can you please guide, sir? How you can able to add link style sheet href is equal to please guide how we can able to take CSS file is a link. Can you please observe that static okay, here CSS slash blog dot css slash blog dot css like I'm taking. Next at last here href is equal to like where we require to take, sir. Okay, here like any doubt? Please confirm. Everything is clear for you people, right? This is the link. Next, do you know somewhere you people may aware this type of things? Have you remembered this type of things here? Just a block, body block. Have you remembered body block? Next, and after that here we can take end block like this. What is this one? Template tag, right? Sir, who is the responsible to fill this one? Child template is the responsible to fill this one. Okay, it is just a placeholder. Child is the responsible to fill this one. Here how many things we can able to take, sir? For page to page title will be changed and the body will be changed. Correct or not? Page to page title will be changed and the body will be changed. That's why you can take any number of blocks, no problem at all. Any number of blocks we can able to take, sir. No issue at all. Remember this one. Okay. Now for the title I'm taking some percentage block title block. Regarding title block title block like next here, do you know end block. So for title I'm taking one block, sir. So this block will be filled by child to to specify title. Next and after that, similarly, here also, we can able to define. We can able to define. So just content like this, like content block. We can able to take. What I'm trying to take here is here just observe. Div class is equal to content. 1 minute. Sir, why I'm taking this one? Anyone having some idea for which purpose I'm taking this one, sir? Please respond. For which purpose I'm taking this one? So CSS styling purpose. Have you remember, right? Div class is equal to content. Okay, div class is equal to content. CSS styling purpose, right? Here I want to take my block. Here I want to take the block. Here what I'm taking is here just a block. Okay, content block. We can able to take, sir, body block content or content block, like you can able to take. Next here end block, like I'm taking, sir. So how many template tags are there? These are the two blocks I define. These two blocks should be filled by child template only. Remember that. Okay, child template. Of course, once I'm writing first child template, you can able to get much clarity. Next here I want to take one more small thing, sir. What is that? Is here just observe carefully, sir. Div class is equal to sidebar. Don't worry. What the meaning? Why I'm taking this one, sir? Div class is equal to sidebar. Like this I'm taking, sir. Okay. Now this is the div. End of the div. Sir, inside the sidebar, what I have to take is just the H2 tag I'm taking. Durga's blog, something like I'm taking, sir. Durga's blog like I'm taking Durga's blog. Okay, like now just some paragraph I'm taking. So here you can see Python updations, something like that. Here you can see Python updations, like I'm taking, sir. That's all. So now what are various things what you people should aware clearly, right? Okay, observe a bit very carefully about this one, sir. What is the meaning? Why this type of, why you are taking two parts here? Is one is for content purpose, second one is for sidebar purpose. How you can able to display that? Okay, I will take care. Don't worry much about that, sir. Where something like, let me show this one so that you people can get much clarity about this. Okay, 1 minute. Let me stop this server. So if that image is there in your mind, then you can able to understand very easily, right? See blog project. Okay, py manage.py run server. Sir, already existing application I'm showing just for creating some basic idea in your mind. Okay, let me show that. What is the meaning of content block? What is the meaning of sidebar? Like why I'm taking like this, right? Here just observe a bit very carefully. 127 like this I'm taking. Can you please have a look once, sir? Do you know here if you observe that this total thing itself is content block. This total is the content block. This is the sidebar. Regarding this one itself is the sidebar. In my page, I want to divide into two parts: content, and this one is the sidebar. Next, can you please have a look once? What is the title, sir? The title what you are seeing, Durga's blog. Title you are saying Durga's blog like this. The title, right? If I click this one, then automatically what is the title you are seeing? Python certification. Are you getting it? Title will be changed from page to page. That's why please make sure you people should have sir title block because it is varied from page to page. Next here like sir, how many parts are available in my page? Two parts. One is content, second one is the sidebar. Now are you able to understand? Please respond, friends. Are you in the position to see, right? Okay, well, that is the reason why I'm taking these two parts, right? Okay. Now in the CSS, I will take care about styling. Don't worry, sir. Now post list.html. Base.html is already ready. Now sir, post list dot html. Anyone, can you please guide, sir, what I have to take? Okay, percentage extends, okay, blog slash base dot html, percentage extends, okay, like this I'm taking. Okay, well, next and after that, okay, this person is the responsible to fill two blocks. First block, title block. Are you getting? First block, title block. Second block, content block. Are you getting? So first block, let me copy paste. Let me copy paste here. Okay, title block. In the title block, what I want to take here is Durga's blog home page. Like this I'm taking, sir. Just anything you can take, no problem at all. Durga's blog home page. It is a title block, title right. Okay, sir. What is the next thing we require to take care here is, okay, second one in the base there is content block is also there. Yes, this is the most valuable, sir, where we require to keep total content. Okay, inside content we require to take total content, sir. What I have to take, sir? Very simple. From the view, I'm getting post list.html or not? Please respond, friends. Am I getting post list.html or not? Yes, this is the context. Context I'm getting, sir. Now from here, happily you can able to take the content. Happily we can able to take the content, sir. What I have to take is, sir, here H1 I'm taking Durga's blog. Okay, Durga's blog, like this I'm taking at the top. Here if you are seeing this one, Durga's blog, like this, right? H1 tag. Next title. Here observe very carefully, sir, because these things are very, very important for you people, right? Now here I'm taking, sir, for here just 1 minute, sir. No. Here just observe that. Here observe for each post in post underscore list. For each post in post underscore list. What I have to take here is what we require to take. For each post in post underscore list, what I want to take is, sir, can you please display post title? Can you please display title, sir? What I have to take here, post dot title, I have to display. That's all. Forget about the remaining things. Slowly I will show the remaining things. Don't worry at all. Are you getting? Sir, are you in the position to understand? Are you feeling any difficulty to understand up to this? Just I'm trying to display only title, sir. I'm trying to display only title. That's all. But only one thing we are missing, urls.py. I didn't define any URL, sir. Now from blog import views. Now here what I have to take, sir? Okay. Now let me take a dollar. Next views dot post list view, like this I'm taking. That's it. We are not required to take any other things, right? Now observe. Let me start the server. Here let me close this one already existing. Now let me go to the py manage.py run server. Py manage.py run server, like this I'm taking, sir. Yes, okay. Let me open here. Just forget about this one. Now 127, like this. I'm getting, oh, that is, it is going to be considered. From that CSS file. Actually, that is the problem with the atom. If I'm using any name, automatically it is considering from anywhere blog.css is there, it is considering that. But actually my CSS file is empty or not? My CSS file is empty or not? Yes. How these decorations are coming? Because the decorations are coming, it is the atom already already somewhere I used block.css. It is considering from everywhere, man. It is the problem with the atom. Okay, let me change the name. Then automatically you people can here rename blog1.css. Blog1.css. Okay, now blog1.css. blog1.css. I changed it, sir. Now let me refresh. One minute. Yeah. Update in base. Somewhere we record change, right? In the base.html also. Where is that? blog1.css. blog1.css. Okay, well, this is the looks like, sir. Are you getting it? Durga's blog. This is the Durga's blog. Here you can say Python updation, something like that. This one is okay on the right hand side sidebar, and this one is nothing but main content. Of course, how you can able to do the changes? How you can? Have you observed, right? India software industry, India movie information, India cricket team information, like total how many information we are getting? Sir, 3 things. Okay, we are in the position to see something like styling. Next up from here, how you can able to do that part I will take care. Up to this is the clear. Any doubt, friends? Are you in a position to understand, right? So in this, from this, what extra things we learned? Okay, how to customize? Sir, admin interface. How to use a list filter, search fields, ID fields, date ordering, pre-populated fields. Okay, like we are seeing all these things. Next and after that, what about inheritance concept? Okay, what is the inheritance concept? Okay, like we covered base, how to define the base, and then post list.html, how you can able to do that. Okay, now for this I will do some extra things for you people, so that more meaningful way it is going to display, sir. Okay, that part I will take care in the next somewhere. Okay, maybe tomorrow, don't worry.